A round of applause to them all.
Kwa ya mibango ya mĩario ya ũrũmwe gatagatĩ ga thirikari na mũng'ethanĩro igĩrĩrwo metha-inĩ thutha wa MINISTA MUNENE MUSALIA Mudavadi gũkaĩra kanitha na atongoria a ndini magomana ituge ici cierĩ irĩ rathima na hinya kĩũteti oro mũthenya.
The church that I address today, you have a big footprint in the region. Open the back channels. It's a very powerful tool in diplomacy. Open the back channels. Talk to the warring and conflicting parties. Get them to sit under one roof, on the same table, and stop the violence. We rely on you. We depend on you.
Muthenya umwe tu kuma mutongoria wa kĩama kĩa DCP Rigathi Gachagua oria aigithia metheme kũigithia Kenya kumana na ũhũthĩri wa nyanake gũcũgĩra ngahĩha cia kĩũteti, MINISTA MUNENE MUSALIA Mudavadi onekete kũgera o gacĩra gaka ka ũigithia agĩkaĩra kanitha ũhĩte ũteti ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ ũtanathinĩkana.
I want to call upon tourists to suspend their visit to Kenya until next year. Tumalizane na hii administration. We deal away with the goons and rogue policemen, then ndio mkuje. We want to tell investors, foreign investors, between now and the next election, to stay away from this country.
What is the economic value of peace? How do you quantify peace? Because we have seen with the crisis in the Middle East and in Europe, even the most beautiful airports have become ghost buildings just because one critical ingredient is missing: peace.
Mudavadi oho nĩendekithĩtie ũhũthĩri wa nenda ũrĩ na wĩigĩrĩrĩki makĩria kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ akiuga ũregenyo kũu nenda-inĩ na ũmũme mĩeke ya mawĩra ona nja wa bũrũri.
Be very careful, because I met a diplomat who said there is one word or one phrase young people never like hearing. And I asked, what phrase is that? And he said, just be a little patient. That simple phrase to the young people, just be a little patient. It will make a big difference in your lives and in your future.
Mwena-inĩ wake gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja orĩtie kanitha wĩkĩrĩre kũhe ayuthi mwĩhoko makĩria mahinda-inĩ maya maritũ kĩwonjoria amu ikundi iregenyũku arĩ hamwe na ateti niho maronera mweke wa kũhũthĩra ayuthi ũru.
We have a challenge today because many of these disillusioned young people, and I keep saying, the biggest security challenge in our region is not Al-Shabaab. It is not Al-Qaeda. It is millions of disillusioned, disengaged young people, and we've seen them being misused locally by politicians, by my colleagues, and many times even some of us are blamed. And we really must come strong as a church to bring back sanity and to stop that idea of goonism, political misuse of these young people. Let us give them hope. I'm very happy.
Elections will come and go, but our nation's unity, stability, and future must endure for generations to come. Effective democracy extends beyond elections to the delivery of tangible results by the elected leaders.
Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.